Welcome to 1043 2nd Avenue South here in Nashville, Tennessee. Hi, I'm Steve Azadorian with eXp Luxury Real Estate, and today I'm very excited to share this incredible home with you. Located within Chestnut Hill and on the edge of the Wedgwood-Houston neighborhood, we are just minutes from downtown Nashville, Music Row, Vanderbilt University, Broadway, and so much more. Within this very walkable neighborhood, you can visit the trendy restaurants, coffee shops, farmers market, boutique stores, and even take in an MLS soccer game at the new Geodis Park, which is located within the area. The home itself has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and just over 2,600 square feet. So let's have a look. The original home was built in 1964, which was preserved, remodeled, and added onto in 2017. As you enter the home, you are greeted by an open foyer. On this floor, you will see 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. As you go up to the 2nd level, you will see a modern open concept design perfect for entertaining a Nashville crowd. The living room features a fireplace, wall-mounted TV, built-in cabinets, and French doors leading out to your 2nd floor balcony. In the kitchen, we have custom cabinetry with plenty of storage space. An oversized marble island, a dedicated Butcher Block Countertop, stainless steel kitchen appliances, including a gas cooktop, double wall-mounted ovens, an undermount microwave, dishwasher, and of course, a large refrigerator. Adjacent to the kitchen, you find your dining area and pantry for additional storage. As you go down the hallway off the kitchen, you find your oversized laundry room. You'll also find your 2nd level porch for outdoor dining and grilling. Continuing down this hall, we have the large owner's suite with custom walk-in closet and the owner's bath featuring a walk-in tiled shower with a frameless glass door. The exterior of the home features a shaded courtyard with fire pit, sun deck, a fence, and 2-car garage. This home truly has it all for someone trying to enjoy the Nashville lifestyle. You can take in a game, see some amazing music, dine as the locals dine, and make Music City your own. Well, that's our tour. What'd you think? It's a pretty sweet house, huh? So if you'd like more information or if you'd like to set up a private tour, please reach out to us at the information here below and we'll make that happen. Thanks so much.